guys, today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in verse. So that's all you have to do now. You just go down here, you keep going down, so then you come here to log out. It's going to show for you here when you just click here on log out here. So then it's going to take you out here of your account on your Decathlon app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.